Hi, I'm Levi.
And I'm Malachi.
And we're from MoShannon Valley.
We're here at PA Grain Processing.
And what's so cool about manufacturing?
PA Grain Processing off Route 322 in Clearfield. It is the largest ethanol production facility east of the Mississippi River. PA Grain Processing can process around 100,000 bushels of corn daily.
But really, people know us as an ethanol plant. And through fermentation, we produce 4 products.
PA Grain Processing takes up to 40 million bushels of corn a year and produces 110 million gallons of ethanol.
13 billion gallons of ethanol is consumed each year in our country.
Being the only ethanol plant in Pennsylvania, so we find ourselves training a lot. If you have strong computer skills, but you also have to couple that with mechanical skills, having mechanical ability, being able to do those kind of things, but some math ability, some higher level math. You're trying to convert a lot of things and understand how the numbers are coming together. Vocational things, strong math skills and computer skills for sure.
And 1/3 becomes alcohol, except it's used for fuel. So we get 2.8 gallons of ethanol out of a bushel of corn.
The large back tank, that's a 1.447 million gallon storage facility.
And that comes from the starch of the corn. The leftover part of the corn is the shell and the germ, and that's dried and called distiller's grains. And this gets used for feeding chickens and pigs. At about 16 pounds of distiller's grains per bushel, we get 1/2 to 7/10 of a pound of corn oil. And then the last third is carbon dioxide. And we ship the carbon dioxide to Continental Carbonics, and they, carbon dioxide, clean it, refrigerate it to turn it into a liquid, and then they, using vacuum and pressure, they turn it into solid, into dry ice. And then they sell this that gets used for shipping food, for shipping medicine. That's what's cool about Pennsylvania Grain Processing is we take a bushel of corn and we use all of it. 1/3 becomes the ethanol, 1/3 is the distiller's grains and the corn oil, and another third is carbon dioxide.